Find the endpoint B of a line segment given endpoint A, -6,4, and midpoint M, 2, -1. We still use the midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Basically, it's the average of the x's and the average of the y's of the endpoint. This is the midpoint, so I would call that xm and ym. I like to put the midpoint on the right and the endpoints on the left. So we know we have two endpoints of a line segment. This one is -6,4, and we don't know the other one, so we'll just use x and y. The midpoint they gave us was 2, -1. So using the same formula, we'll add the x's. This is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Adding the x's is -6 plus x divided by 2. To remember the midpoint formula, think of midterm exams that you want to find out what your average is. If you've had two tests, add them together and divide by 2. Midpoint, midterm, it's just the average of the 2 points. And what do these points average equal? The 2 of the midpoint, because we already were given the solution this time. To solve for x, we'll multiply each side by 2. That cancels out the denominator, and we have -6 plus x equals 4. Add 6 to each side, and x equals 10. That's the x of the other endpoint. We'll do the same thing for the y's. 4 plus y divided by 2 equals what? The -1 of the y, midpoint. So 4 plus y divided by 2, we'll multiply each side by 2. You'll always start by multiplying each side by 2 when you have an endpoint and a midpoint, and you're looking for the other endpoint. 4 plus y equals -2, and subtract 4, y equals -6. Click the links below for more tips and tricks for algebra and geometry.